Hello everyone, my name is Nikish Kumar and I am a second year MBBS student at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences, Sevagram, and I welcome you all to the second video of the clinical case series of biochemistry. So the case study number 2 goes somewhat like this. A 1-year-old male baby had growth retardation, reduced physical activity, muscle wasting, loose fold of skin wrapped over bones. The mother of child, now in 3rd month of gestation, informed the physician that she had been giving the child rice gruel along with breast milk. Following are the lab investigation data. The hemoglobin of the subject is 7 gram per deciliter, lower than the normal reference value of 12 to 14 gram per deciliter. The serum proteins is 6 gram per deciliter in the normal range. The serum albumin is 3 gram per deciliter in the normal range. The serum potassium is 3.5 milliequivalent and it is also in the normal range. तो ये था हमारा केस. अब आइए अब इस केस के अंदर जितने भी कीवर्ड्स हैं हम उनको देखते हैं. सबसे पहले a 1-year-old male baby. So what is the age group? The age group is 1 year. The child has growth retardation. It means the growth of the child is stunted. The child has stunted growth. The child has muscle wasting, that is emaciation. So the muscle wasting is seen. The child has muscle wasting. Then the mother of child is now in the 3rd month of gestation. मतलब बच्चा खुद 1 साल का है and her mother is again pregnant. इसका मतलब क्या है? She is in the 3rd month of gestation. What does that mean? कि the child is of 1 year and the mother of the child is now in the 3rd month of gestation. It means the gap between two childs is very less. So the child gap or the gap between two subsequent pregnancies is very less, right? She also informed the physician that now she is giving her child rice gruel और थोड़ा थोड़ा ब्रेस्ट मिल्क. मतलब कि इस बार क्या हुआ है कि जो चाइल्ड का डाइट है दैट इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय अ डाइट दैट इज लो इन कैलोरी इनटेक. शी इज गिविंग द चाइल्ड राइस ग्रुएल, राइट? सो द डाइट इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय लो कैलोरीज. ठीक है. बाकी उसके बाद बायोकेमिकल इन्वेस्टिगेशन जब हम रीड करते हैं तो हम देखते हैं कि सीरम प्रोटीन्स भी नॉर्मल है, सीरम एल्ब्यूमिन भी नॉर्मल है और सीरम पोटेशियम भी नॉर्मल है. सो इन सारे पॉइंट्स को देखकर हमें पता चलता है कि दिस इज अ केस ऑफ अगेन व्हाट, प्रोटीन एनर्जी माल न्यूट्रिशन. और मैंने बताया था पीएम 2 टाइप्स के होते हैं. व्हाट आर दो 2 टाइप्स? क्वाशियोरकर एंड मैरास्मस, राइट? एंड दीज पॉइंट्स दैट इज 1-year-old child, stunted growth, muscle wasting, child gap is very less and there is low calorie intake. These all, and after that the serum proteins is normal, serum albumin is normal, serum potassium is normal. These all favor the diagnosis that the child is suffering from marasmus, right? So the probable diagnosis is marasmus. Now let us discuss in detail about marasmus. What does the word marasmus means? The word marasmus literally means to waste, right? Marasmus mainly occurs in the children under 1 year of age. So what is the age group for marasmus? The age group for marasmus is less than 1 year. What was the age group for kwashiorkor? हमने पिछला केस कौन सा पढ़ा है? kwashiorkor का पढ़ा है. In kwashiorkor the age group is 1 to 5 years. So the age group for marasmus is under 1 year of age, right? Now in marasmus there is deficiency of calories. In kwashiorkor there was low protein intake but sufficient amount of calories. But marasmus there mainly the deficiency of calories is seen. अब कब होगा ये deficiency? When the mother's milk is replaced by a diet that is poor in calories, right? It is usually observed in children that are given a low calorie intake diet, usually watery gruel along with cereals to supplement the mother's breast milk. ठीक है. तो ओवरऑल क्या याद रखना है हमको कि marasmus, the age group for marasmus is less than 1 year. Marasmus is because of deficiency of calories, that is when the mother's milk is replaced by a diet that is poor in calories, that is watery gruel of cereals. ठीक है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now what feature distinguishes marasmus and kwashiorkor? तो सीरम लेवल्स को जब हम देखेंगे तो नॉर्मल सीरम एल्ब्यूमिन लेवल इज फाउंड इन मैरास्मस. मैरास्मस में क्या होता है कि सीरम एल्ब्यूमिन इज नॉर्मल. सो इन मैरास्मस द एल्ब्यूमिन इज normal, right? While in kwashiorkor the serum albumin is decreased. और क्योंकि kwashiorkor में albumin कम होता है तो वहाँ पे edema होता है. ठीक है. तो edema is seen while in marasmus the edema is not seen. right? So what is the distinguishing feature of Kwashiorkor and marasmus? That in marasmus the serum albumin levels are normal and no edema is seen. Let us move ahead. Now what are the clinical features of a child suffering from marasmus? एक बच्चे जिसको marasmus है उसमें क्या क्या signs and symptoms दिखेंगे? सबसे पहले body weight. The body weight of the child is decreased because of less calorie intake, obviously less nutrients, and it is less than 60% of normal, right? The growth of the child is stunted and it is severe growth retardation. It is severe growth retardation because the child has low calorie intake, low amount of carbohydrates and fats, right? Then edema is absent. Why is edema absent? Because the albumin levels are normal, right? Facial appearance, the facial appearance is old man like face. In Kwashiorkor it was moon face. In marasmus it is old man like face. The abdomen is shrunken. In Kwashiorkor the abdomen was protruded, right? The muscles are weak and atrophic, the skin is dry and atrophic, and subcutaneous fat is absent here. So these were the few clinical features of the child suffering from marasmus. Kya? The body weight is less than 60% of normal, the growth is stunted and there is severe growth retardation. The edema is absent because of albumin levels are normal. The facial appearance is like an old man face. The abdomen you can see here, the abdomen is shrunken, right? The muscles, you can see the muscles are what? These are weak and atrophic. The skin is dry and atrophic, and subcutaneous fat is absent here. Let us move ahead. Biochemical investigations. In this, the serum albumin is normal. Albumin normal है, इसका मतलब ऐसे child में edema नहीं होगा, ठीक है? Serum potassium is also normal. In Kwashiorkor, the serum potassium was decreased. Why? Because of diarrhea. The serum cortisol here it is increased, and the fasting blood glucose level is decreased. So these are the biochemical investigations. Now what is the treatment? So the treatment is rehydration and stabilization and nutritional rehabilitation because there is nutritional deficiency, right? So friends, that was all about marasmus. So here we complete the clinical cases of Kwashiorkor and marasmus. हमने Kwashiorkor भी पढ़ लिया है और marasmus भी पढ़ लिया है. अब आइए अब हम Kwashiorkor और marasmus के बीच के differences को enlist करते हैं. So let us enlist the differences between the Kwashiorkor and marasmus. हमारे पास अब Kwashiorkor और marasmus की पूरी नॉलेज है, तो अब हम उनके बीच में डिफरेंसेस की एक टेबल बनाएंगे. सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं एज ग्रुप की. किस एज ग्रुप में ये डिजीज देखे जाते हैं? Kwashiorkor is commonly found in the age group of 1 to 5 years, that is in the preschool children, while the marasmus is found in the age group of less than 1 years. So this was the first difference. Second difference, in Kwashiorkor there is low protein intake. Kwashiorkor में protein intake is low, but the child has sufficient amount of calorie intake. Protein intake is low, but the child has sufficient amount of calorie intake. In marasmus there is low calorie intake. Right? Then after that, talking about the facial appearance. In Kwashiorkor the child has moon face, while in marasmus the child has old man like face, right? Talking about the next distinguishing feature, that is appearance of the skin. In Kwashiorkor there are dark flaky patches on skin, while in marasmus the skin is dry and atrophic, right? Next point, edema is seen in Kwashiorkor while edema is not seen in marasmus. Why edema is seen in Kwashiorkor? Because in Kwashiorkor the serum albumin level is decreased, while in marasmus the serum albumin level is normal, right? Next point, what about serum potassium? In Kwashiorkor serum potassium is decreased. Why? Because there is loss of potassium because of diarrhea, while in marasmus the serum albumin levels are normal. तो ये थे दोस्तों Kwashiorkor और तो फ्रेंड्स ये था क्वाशियोरकर और मैरस्मस के बीच के कुछ डिफरेंसेस. That's all about this video. I hope you like this content. For more such informative and concise content, please like, share and subscribe MedJunction. This is Nikish Kumar signing off. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.